This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab with a towel. First, gather your essential tools: a large pot, a sturdy steamer basket, and a clean, absorbent kitchen towel. This unique method focuses on retaining moisture and enhancing the natural sweetness of the crab. Ensure your towel is ready to be dampened, as this is key to our special steaming process. Prepare to experience perfectly cooked crab. Now, let's prepare the crab and towel. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your live crab under cold, running water. Next, take your clean kitchen towel and dampen it slightly, then fold it neatly to fit inside your steamer basket. Carefully place the towel directly over the cleaned crab within the basket. This damp towel will play a crucial role in creating a moist, flavorful environment during cooking. It's time to steam your crab to perfection. Pour about 2 inches of water into your large pot and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully place the steamer basket, with the towel-covered crab, into the pot. Cover tightly and steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the crab's size. The damp towel traps steam, ensuring the crab cooks evenly and stays incredibly tender. Finally, let's finish and serve your delicious crab. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot steamer basket from the pot. Discard the used towel, as its job is done. Now, prepare the crab for cracking and enjoying. Serve your perfectly steamed crab immediately with your favorite accompaniments, like melted butter and fresh lemon wedges. This towel method truly delivers an unforgettable crab experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.